What's up, my lovelies, and welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, I welcome you with lots of love. And in today's video, I'm doing a makeup transformation for my for my sister's birthday. I'm doing her makeup for her birthday, and I'm giving her the full Q9. Okay, I don't know what Q9 means. I keep saying Q9, but yeah, I'm giving her a full birthday makeover. Okay, and she's about to look so freaking good.
It's even 5 o'clock. How are you gonna get there for 6?
Yeah, and as you guys can see, she was really stressing me out. Like, she kept asking me 1,000,000 questions, and I'm just like, girl, we can't just go out for your birthday in peace. Like, you ask me so much questions, like 1,000 of them. But yeah, you guys, this is my first time ever recording me doing makeup, so just bear with me. I have to do like fast because I was like, girl, I don't even know how people do this. But I'm just like, you know what, I'm just go with the flow and just show you guys a quick transformation beat. So, you know, I don't want to keep rambling and dambling and all that type of stuff, so I just want you guys to watch this quick beat. I'm gonna play some music and we're just gonna vibe and watch how this look ended up looking in the end. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 1K. I love you guys so much, and enjoy the rest of the video. Mwah! Love you all.
Everything cute. Everything
Wow.
That was very nice. Oh my god. I'm gonna stop. Okay, go left.
How do these make period from ALOVELYY, the artist, and the ALOVELY, the outcome.